Hello everybody, this is the tutorial for the calendar that we have made. If you look up at the top, you'll see the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And going down each column, you'll see each subject area. So we have math, reading, grammar, and then Raz Kids. So the only activities you need to complete for that day are listed in each column. So how this works is each of these blue words that are underlined is a link. So when you click on the link, it will bring you to the activity. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So on Monday, we have a seesaw activity and it's called 2D color by sides. So this link is simply going to connect you to Seesaw. So all I did was click on this word. I'm going to click Seesaw, and then you can see up here, it is opening Seesaw. Now I'm already logged in from my computer, and it recognizes me as a user, so I didn't have to put in my username and password. But if you are not already logged in on your device, it'll go ahead and prompt you. And then you can see that we have the 2D shapes color by sides activity here for you. Okay, so then you would just click on this and complete the activity. There's also a tutorial in this email on how to complete the activities in Seesaw. Okay, so that was math. So there is a Seesaw activity and reflex math today on Monday. For reading, you are going to listen to a YouTube read aloud of Crickwing. So again, if you just click on it, you can click the link. Again, it's opening a new tab and the story will appear for you on the screen. Okay, all your child has to do is listen to the story. Then we go to grammar. It is an introduction to pronouns. Okay, again, if you click on the word pronouns, it'll take you to slide 2, which you can see over here on the side. This is an example of a poster and how you can explain pronouns to your student. We briefly talked about them the last time we were in the classroom. I know that's been a long time from now, but go ahead and read them this anchor chart, okay? I even gave you some sample sentences off to the side. Going back, after you talk about the anchor chart on pronouns, there is a Seesaw activity. Again, if you click on Seesaw, I know I'm opening a bunch of tabs up here. It will take you back to Seesaw. And you'll see the pronoun identification number 1 activity to do today. And again, there is a tutorial of how to complete this in the email as well. Okay, and then for Raz Kids, it just says read a story and answer the questions. So each student has their own library inside Raz Kids. So again, if you click that blue link, it'll take you right there. And then you'll select your child's name and then enter their username and password. I sent out their username and passwords like 2 weeks ago, I think, so not over spring break, but the week we were before spring break. I sent those out. If you need it again, please ask. All you have to do is read one story, and your child will have to, there's a quiz at the end of each story. It's like a comprehension quiz that they will take. So read a story and answer the questions. Okay, so these activities are what you have to complete on Monday. I will tell you that the way I set Seesaw up is it will only release Monday's activities. Okay, so you will only see the 2D color by side and, and the pronoun identification number 1 activity. You will only see those on Monday. The other Seesaw activities throughout the rest of the week will not be there until the specified day, okay? So Tuesday, again, for math, there will be an activity in Seesaw, and you can do reflex that day. I've only assigned reflex twice this week. So if Monday and Tuesday don't work for you to do reflex, you can do them the other days of the week. Do what works best for you. I just thought that these were really light math days, so I thought it would be a good time to fit reflex in. If you scroll down on Tuesday to reading, it says listen to Crickwing again, see Monday. So you would just click on this link again and listen to the story. There are also retelling cards in your packet that you have or that you're going to get this week. And it just says cut and paste the words and pictures in order in your journal. And that would be your spiral notebook. Take a picture of it and upload it to Seesaw. Spelling, there is an emoji spelling worksheet in your packet. And there is no Raz Kids today. But again, if you know that tomorrow you're more busy or what have you, go ahead and do it that day. Raz Kids is just 3 times a week, okay? Wednesday, there is a Brain Pop video. Now, when you click on this Brain Pop link, it'll bring you to Brain Pop Junior. You will enter the username and password below. And yes, we are all using Mrs. Martin's username and password, okay? So everybody has the same. It's okay that we're all using it. After you watch the video, there is an example of sides and vertices, and that's slide 3 over here on the left-hand side, about finding the sides and the vertices. That'll make more sense once they watch the video. And then it says to do your math pages in your book. We are in chapter 11, so the pages are 724 through 726. Once you complete those, take a picture and upload them to Seesaw. Okay, now I know some people aren't getting their packets until Thursday or Friday. That is fine. Maybe you just want to watch the video and look at the examples and wait to do this until you have your math book on another day. Okay. Reading, there's a problem and solutions worksheet in your packet. You will again take a picture and upload it to Seesaw. So I don't want to get repetitive here, but each of the blue links is going to take you to where you need to go for that activity. Okay. I'm trying to keep it as easy as possible so you can just come to this calendar every day and you can find everything easily, and it's all in one spot and everything is linked for you. Okay, this calendar will be the same this week, next week, and the week after. So make sure you keep this in in your email so you know where everything is. Again, these angles and transition words slides are for Thursday and Friday. Okay? If you have any questions or if this isn't working, please let me know so I can see if I can get the problem resolved. Okay? Go ahead and hang tight for the video on how to complete the math and grammar activities in Seesaw.